Not sure if the phasing is right, we'll see shortly. Now it goes the other way, so I need to swap the phasing over. This meter, I'm sure, has no reverse running stop, so it will run the wrong way around. So it's time for a metering video. It's 9 January 2024. And this is one, I looked if I'd uploaded this or not, but this is a meter, it's not on YouTube, a CL4f3 from Landis & Gear, made in Switzerland. I'm going to connect it up. I connected it up with a phantom load transformateur and a ballast in series, so we'll see how it's going to perform. Seems to take its time. Oh, I have a reverse running stop. I've got a sodium globe in series. 100. Oh yeah, there we go. The marker has just gone past. Let's just enjoy the blue-green color. Beautiful. Here we go, it's running the wrong way. I need to get a bigger load on here too, because it's running too slow. Easiest for me is to swap the polarity of the transformateur on the primary winding. So I got this transformateur on the 230 volts and the meter on the 24 volts winding. And well, this load is about 100 watts, something like that. Just a HPS lamp. De-energize a device, unplug safety first. Control of the plug is essential. Energize device. Then press the nice green start again, and the meter should be going the correct way now. Here we go. Okay, I just had it the wrong way around again. That's easy enough to correct, so I'll swap it over. De-energize quickly and I'll swap the polarity over. Stand by. Okay, plug in, energize device. There we go. You got it running fine. A little bit more current. These plants are maybe 3-4 weeks old. High pressure sodium grow light, but it's more for winter periods. Just got to roll over to 2.0. I haven't touched the variac. I'm going to plug it in, see how much it is. This is 1 amp meter, 400 equals 1 ampere. Oh, the variac sits at about 0.75 ampere, that's good. And that meter flies, I'm happy with that, that's very good. The ratio I need to calculate out, so it's probably about 40 ampere going to the secondary vent. 89 rolling over, cops are busy too at the moment. Okay, we have the rollover shortly, 242899, and I'll be opening the CL4 meter up. I'll try to find some data sheets, but I can't find any at the moment. A few hours later, 899 is slowly starting to roll over. Tap it a bit, the numbers are coming in this side. I put it on low speed. We're going over to the 10 now. I'm going to take the lid off. And we're going to show the mechanism on these. I know I've showed similar meters before, but this is just the CL4 version. And the gearing is quite beautiful, and some new people may have not seen these devices as such. See if we can get good light on the gear drive here. The gear drive is the slanted gear, and it drives into a fiber gear on the register from the dial. Take the nameplate off carefully, see if I can. The screw is already loose. And get a close up on the register. These are some of the nicest gear trains ever built, I think. They are absolutely frictionless. There's no friction in these devices, and they run so smooth and light. I will take the dial out of mesh and I'll show you the rear part of it. I hope it's in focus. Hard to say. Part of the Genevas are on the top and the horizontal plane. That's all these items here, and there's little gear spindles at the back with a small intermediate gears for the Geneva to work. Loosen the gear plate and see if we can get the register out. Here we've got the register. The drive gear. Hope you can see it's quite a good reduction on this gear train here. So you got from your fiber wheel, you got your intermediate gear here, got another intermediate gear there, and it goes to the front gear here, which drives the number wheels. 6-digit meter. Landers and gear, and I think at the back you probably can see with a bit of luck the intermediate spindles. There's little shafts in between, I'll see pointed on here, there and there. That are the co-gears for the Geneva, so it means all the number drums, when they roll over, they roll the same way, so it's not opposite way like some other meters, like clock dials. So they're all turning to the left, 0 and then 1990. So we'll let the meter run itself over to the 3000 version. It's again standard layout, top coil, this is the potential coil, voltage measurement, and the current coil is encapsulated underneath the disc. Put the register back in, and then got locating pins, so you can't overmesh it. It's been set by the factory. Locating pin 1, locating pin 2. Tighten it up. My camera battery is nearly out. I think so. Charge that up. So the dial plate is back on, 24299 2.5 at the moment. Hold it over. 243,000, let's go fast. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. 243,000.